Thompson Nature Sanctuary, and we are here with Animal Encounters in partnership with Missouri 4-H and the University of Missouri Extension. Today we have something a little more exotic for you, so let's take a look. We have a non-native species for you today. This is a giant Madagascar hissing cockroach. So as the name implies, they are not from Missouri. They are from the island of Madagascar. Also in the name, they are called hissing for a reason. There he goes. So when they feel threatened, they make a hissing sound, and that's pretty much their only defense. Otherwise, they are basically completely harmless. They don't have any teeth or anything to bite you with. There goes our boy, he's running off on us. But they can blow air out of these little dots on their back called spiracles. And that's how they make that noise. So I said this was our boy because he is a male, and you can tell they're males based on these little bumps right here. Those are not their eyes. They're called horns, and all males have them. Their little faces are under here. There they are. So that's a little boy. He's a little guy. He's a young one. This is another boy. He is much older, and he is been in a bunch of fights. They seem to duke it out. He's kind of beat up, but he's much older. They can live a couple of years. Oh, little guys are running off on this. Eager little fella. Over here, we have a girl who is very loud. And they sort of come in different shades. There's darker ones, there's lighter ones. They usually live in humid areas in Madagascar, kind of like the rainforest. And they'll eat basically whatever they find on the ground. They'll eat fruits and vegetables, sort of rotting stuff, things like that. Eat all sorts of things. But pretty neat insects. Super big, really easy to handle, and pretty fun, I think.